In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Search Console for your WordPress website. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial. You ready? Let's go. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to your website. This is the website I'm going to install it on, okay? Now, I am what's called the dashboard of my website. Now, this is for WordPress websites. So your first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to plugins, okay? And then you're going to click where it says add plugin. And then we're going to go over here to the right and we're going to type in headers and footers. Okay. Now there's going to be a plugin that's going to pop up right here. And you want to click install now. And then you want to click activate. So now you're good to go on that. Next thing you want to do is you want to go over here to Google. So I'm going to go ahead and log in an incognito window. Okay. I'm going to go to google.com and I'm going to type in Google Search Console. Google Search Console. Now, you want to click right here where it says Google Search Console. It's going to say start now. You want to click that. And then you go ahead and enter your information and you'll be all set up and ready to go. Now, once you complete your installation, you're going to get a page that looks like this. Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to go over here and you're not going to have all these websites. I have a lot because I've been using it for a while. You're going to click add property. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to go over here and type in the domain name where you would like to add Google Search Console. You want to add it where it says URL prefix. Now, I showed you this is the website that I'm going to install it on. So this is my domain name right here. Okay. Your domain name is where your website is located. So I'm going to copy that. Okay. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm back to the URL prefix and I'm going to paste it in there. Then we're going to click continue. Okay, so it's verifying. All right, so now it's going to do that. Once it does that, you want to scroll down and see where it says HTML tag. You want to select that. And then you want to see where it says copy the meta tag below. You want to copy that. Okay, now we're going to go back to our dashboard over here. Remember we installed that plugin? Okay, now after you copy this code, let me go ahead and close that window there. Close that window there. After you copy this code, you're going to go over here and you're going to go to your plugin that you installed. It's going to say code snippets. Okay, you're going to click there. All right, and then once you click there, you're going to go to where it says header and footer. Okay, and then what you're going to do is that code that you pasted, you're going to put where it says header, you're going to paste it right in there. Okay, and then you're going to click save changes. After you do that, you're going to go back over here to your Google Search Console page to verify your ownership. And you're going to click verify. Okay? And it should be able to read that code. It should give you the green light that your ownership has been verified and you are good to go. Now, to prove that it's installed, you just click the go to property. And this is the new Google Search Console on our brand new website right here. If you have any questions, go ahead and type them in the comment section. I would love to help you out where I can. Also, if this video has been helpful to you, go ahead and like and subscribe. Okay, we'll talk to you later. God bless you.